It was it was a red letter day in Tillu's life, the day he was waiting for his father had at last taken him to the control room. From here, he could see the alien spacecraft on his TV screen. What a funny looking thing, Daddy. What does it contain? Tillu asked. His father shook his head. Can't say for sure. We are only allowed to observe it from far, but we control all its parts and can exercise our power if it is up to any mischief. He pointed to an impressive panel with several colored buttons on it. Pillow looked at them wistfully.
Please share your book with Mark. Okay, so it was a red letter day in the life of Tillu. Red letter day is a happy day, full of excitement. Okay, the day he was waiting for his father had for यहाँ पे means because his father had at last taken him to control room. Why it was a happy day for Tillu? Because his father took him to control room. From here he could see the alien spacecraft on his TV screen. He was very excited because he wanted to see the spacecraft that had come from another planet. Okay. What a funny looking thing, Daddy. What does it contain? Tillu asked. So as you know, children ask so many questions. So he asked that what is there inside the spacecraft? His father shook head. Shook is the second form of shake. So he shook his head. Can't say for sure. We are only allowed to observe it from far. So he said that we are just sitting passively here and we are observing the spacecraft. But we control all its parts and can exercise our power if it is up to any mischief. Mischief क्या होता है anyone? What is mischief?
मैम शरारत.
Yes, not appropriate behavior. Yes, please. Yes,
मैम शरारत मैम.
Yes, beta शरारतें करना. So not appropriate behavior. They said that we will do something if this spacecraft will do something which we don't like. Okay. Next is he pointed to an impressive panel. You might have seen in movies कि एक panel होता है, बड़ी सी screens होती हैं, and there are colorful buttons also. ठीक है. So similar control room they also had. So he showed him impressive panel with several colored buttons on it. Tillu looked at them wistfully, thoughtfully. He was thinking something when he was looking at them. ठीक है? Wistfully का एक sadly meaning भी होता है, but यहाँ पे sadly is not appropriate. So thoughtfully, he was full of thoughts when he saw that panel. Okay. Now next one, please. Who will read online? Raise your hand, please. Yes, Peter. Red letter days, beta, happiness or full of excitement. Okay. Yes, please. Anyone who wants to read? Okay, Raghav, please read it. You are not audible. Without unmuting, you are reading, beta. Okay, Arjun. Vaibhav.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, look it up to something, Daddy. Tillu suddenly noted some movement in the spacecraft. Others in the control room saw it too. All eyes were now glued to the screen. A mechanical hand was emerging from the spacecraft. It was approaching the surface of the planet. It bent and touched the soil. What was it up to? People crowded toward the screen for a closer look. The telescopic lens of the TV camera zoomed into the tip of the mechanical hand. Tillu was starting.
Okay, that's it. Now look, it's up to something, Daddy. Now Tillu observed something. That something was coming out of the spacecraft. Then he suddenly noted some movement in the spacecraft. Others in the control room saw it too. All eyes were now glued on the screen. Glued means fixed. Okay? So all the eyes were fixed on the screen. A mechanical hand was emerging. Emerging means coming out of the spacecraft. And from the spacecraft, it was approaching the surface of the planet. एक मैकेनिकल सा हैंड आ रहा था, मशीन का ही हैंड बना हुआ, because it was just trying to collect soil of Mars planet. Okay, so it bent and touched the soil. What was it up to? People crowded towards the screen for a closer look. Now people are full of excitement and they are little bit nervous also, because now that mechanical hand was collecting something from their planet. Okay, the telescopic lens. Telescope क्या होता है, everyone please? Okay, telescope gives you magnified, ठीक है, zoomed जो होती है वो picture देता है. So they had one telescopic lens, magnifying glass, and they just looked at that mechanical hand. ठीक है. Now from offline student who wants to read it. कहाँ से पढ़ना है?
Tillu was starting at the control steering. Tillu was starting at the control panel, and its attractive buttons and irresistible desire got hold of him to press the most prominent of all buttons, the red one. He moved. There was a shrill whistle, and Tillu found himself the center of attention. His father pulled him away roughly and restored the red button to neutral position, but the damage was done.
So Tillu was staring at the control panel, staring to look something, okay, continuously. So he was staring at the control panel and its attractive buttons. Now buttons seem so attractive to Tillu, red, green, yellow. So different colorful buttons were there. So what did he do? An irresistible desire. Irresistible is the most powerful desire जो आपको कुछ करने पे मजबूर कर दे, ठीक है? So for example, if something is lying before you and your desire is so powerful कि आपको जितना मर्जी मना किया हो, still you just do the opposite thing. Irresistible is the most powerful desire. Desire पता है सबको? When you want something strongly, ठीक है? So he pressed the most prominent of all buttons. Prominent is the most important button, ठीक है? That was the red button. So he just pressed that button. वो actually किसके लिए था? जो spacecraft थी उसको inactive करने का button था वो, ठीक है? So he pressed that button. There was a shrill whistle, and Tillu found himself the center of attention. Shrill whistle. Whistle, you know that? Shrill, high pitched. एक बहुत ऊंची आवाज आई, high pitched whistle, and then all people were looking at him. He was the center of attention because everyone was looking at him and he was at the center. Okay. His father pulled him away roughly. उसके father ने उसको just side किया and restored the red button. So bring back the red button. Maybe उसने आगे कर दिया था. He just brought back the button to neutral position, to normal position. अब वो दोबारा से red button को ले आए, ठीक है? But the damage was done. What was the damage? He made that spacecraft inactive. That was the damage. ठीक है? For some time. जब तक red button आगे रहता है, तब तक वो inactive रहेगी spacecraft. ठीक है? So now damage was done. Okay, now online students, if you want to read, raise your hand. Otherwise, I'll give chance to offline. Yes, hurry up, please. Anyone? Okay, please come, beta.
The mechanical hand from the spacecraft ceased to work. At a press conference held by NASA, a scientist was briefing the world press. मैम ये नीचे वाला पैरा पढ़ना. Everything has been going on smoothly with the Viking mission. There is a small hitch. The mechanical hand, which was to dig out the Martian soil for examination, has developed a malfunction. We don't know the cause, but our technicians are confident they will sort it out. And shortly afterwards, there was another press release from NASA.
So now the mechanical hand from the spacecraft ceased to work. Ceased means to end something, or that ended to work. It was not now working because Lilu had pressed that red button. Okay. Now there was press conference on Earth, okay, by NASA, and NASA, one of the scientists said that everything has been going on smoothly with the Viking mission, but there is a small hitch. There is a small problem. Okay. The mechanical hand, which was to dig out Martian soil, जो Mars की soil इकट्ठी करनी थी mechanical hand ने, that hand has one problem. Malfunction means fail to function. So it is failing to function. They don't know the reason actually. So we don't know the cause of that, but our technicians are confident that they will definitely arrange it again. Okay, they will find out the problem soon. So now. And shortly afterwards, there was another press release. क्योंकि अब red button अपनी जगह पे वापस आ गया. Now that mechanical hand again started working. Okay. Now next, please, last one. Adgun, try to unmute. Then I'll see. Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Please end the chapter.
The mechanical hand is working again. Thanks to the efforts of our technicians, soil samples are being collected and examined. Soon we will know the answer to the question whether there is life on Mars. Life on Mars, of all the planets in our solar system, Mars is nearest in location and physical condition to our Earth. So the scientists behind the Viking mission were hopeful of finding life on Mars, but they were in for a disappointment. The Viking mission found no signs of life on Mars.
This is the end now. The mechanical hand is working again. You know that क्योंकि वो red button, it has come to its position thanks to effort of our technician. और ये technician को thanks कर रहे हैं, but the real reason is that red button. Okay. So soil samples are being collected, and soon we'll know the answer to the question whether life is there on Mars or not. But they were disappointed because they didn't find any life on Mars. क्योंकि वो तो सारे underground थे. They just thought that there is no life on Mars. But ये author को लगता है कि Mars पे पक्का life है. Why? Because this is the closest of planet of all. ठीक है, Earth, और यहाँ पे सारी soil भी है. Everything is there. Then definitely life is there. Okay, but हमें नहीं दिख रही वो. Now is it clear all this chapter? Any doubt you can ask? No? Chalo, get ready to give answer. Yes. Yes. I don't think so. ये real story है. होती भी तो हमारे पास कैसे पहुंची? So far हमें यही पता है कि वहाँ पे life नहीं है. तो ये टिल्लू कहाँ से आया? So, okay, so our question is, what do you think the mechanical hand was trying to do? Please raise hand. Yes, Gaurish. Yes. Exactly. Yes, online, please, Raghav, same question.
The mechanical hand was trying to touch the soil and bend it, and the people come closer towards the screen for a closer look and to see whether that the mechanical hand what is doing.
Raghav,
The telescopic lens.
Mechanical hand was just trying to touch the soil only.
Ma'am, bend
Okay,
and touch the.
only touching the soil was their mission. Or collect.
Ma'am, to collect it also.
Exactly. That was the main function of the mechanical hand. It just wanted to collect soil and they wanted to examine it. Okay. Next question. Tillu pressed the red button and damage was done. What was the damage? Correct. Yes. Ceased to work. Yes, it stopped working. Okay, that was the main damage. Same answer all. So beta mechanical hand stopped working. Online student, if your answer is same, then please show me thumbs up. Now think about third answer offline, please. Same answer, Adgun, Vaibhav, Raghav.
Yes, ma'am. Same.
Yes, ma'am.
Where had the spacecraft come from? Raise your hand. Very easy question, Jasmine. Planet Earth, exactly. We have read in chapter also NASA had sent that spacecraft to collect soil and to click some, I think, images also. Okay. Okay, Jasmine, unmute please.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth question, very easy again. On which planet do Tillu and his parents live?
Ma'am, Mars.
Only one word answer? Live on the planet Mars. Even they are living underground, okay? And people from Earth, they couldn't find them. So always better explain your answer, please. Always. Now exercise 3 questions are there which you have to do in your fair notebook. Okay, exercise. So first question is, if you had to live in a home like Tillu's, what parts of life would you find most difficult? And then what compensation might there be? Compensation means वहां पे रहने का फायदा क्या होता है आपको? Now please tell me what problems you would face if you would live underground. Then why? What was the main reason? क्या advantage थी underground रहने की? ठीक है? Oxygen वो artificial was provided. Yes, please. Yes, Karthik. Okay. Okay, fine. Or beta, please. Just imagine you people are living underground. क्या क्या problems आनी थी? Okay, I wouldn't be able to get fresh air. Okay, or there would be low temperature on surface. So artificial temperature control is there. But artificial air is the problem. Okay, no fresh air would be there. Okay, or please. Okay, fine. There would be no security. Okay, always insecurity would prevail inside me. Okay, nice. Or please. Just imagine you people are living underground. क्या क्या problem आनी थी आपको? Okay, I would not have freedom to go out. Okay, or there would be kind of suffocation. Okay, and the feeling that I couldn't go out would give me suffocation. Okay. We would not be able to explore the. Yes, exactly. Yes, particular life there would be the same life of all the citizens. Okay, no diversity would be found there. Okay. Shobha, please tell me your answer. Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. If I had to live in a home like Tillu's, I would have found it quite difficult. The whole atmosphere would have been artificially created. So I would have certainly missed the natural fresh air. I also would have missed the plants and animals. But the advantage could be that there would have been no pollution or traffic jams. The climate too will be always pleasant because it would be controlled scientifically.
Okay. Advantage is there would be no pollution, no traffic jams, no noise pollution. Okay. And yes, please. Okay, fine. Yes, Gaurish. Okay, that's your wish, okay? Now all of you, you will write answer in would form only. Remember this thing. चाहे अपनी book पे लिख दो would form only. ठीक है? Don't use will or anything. Would form. Okay. If I had to live in a home like Tillu's, then I would miss fresh air. ठीक है? Of my planet. I would miss जो भी आप करो वो would form है. And compensation advantage लिखनी है आपको यहाँ पे. ठीक है? I would feel more secure because I was alive underground. ठीक है? If I would go on surface, then I would definitely freeze to death. तो एक ये security तो है कि हम जिंदा रहेंगे. ठीक है? So you will in the first part पहले आप लिखोगे क्या-क्या चीजें आप मिस करोगे. Then what is the advantage? Okay. Now second question. Second question is, what if anything might drive mankind to make their homes underground? ऐसी क्या चीज है जो हमें कभी ना कभी underground भेज देगी? Yes, please. Very easy. Okay, increasing pollution. One day pollution. Okay, pollution increase इतना हो जाएगा. Okay, lack of oxygen. Then we would have to move to underground. Global warming. Okay, increase in the temperature. ठीक है, of Earth. Then it would definitely force us to live underground. Okay, yes. Okay, same. Cutting of trees would lead to increase in temperature. Exactly. If sun change its position, ठीक है, then if the temperature decreases, then again we would have to live underground. Okay, yes. Population का point हो सकता है, but still there is much land. Okay, yes. Yes, that is ठीक है. Depletion of ozone layer. Yes, Shubh, what do you think?
Yes, ma'am. If at all force of natural compels mankind to live and make their homes underground, life would be entirely different. The main source of energy would be solar power. Computerization would be much more advanced. The robots will be used much more so that they can survive on the surface also. Satellites and web cameras will be quite common. What can drive mankind to make their homes underground could be also be the population increasing on Earth or change in the natural environment.
Okay, fine. So everyone, you can write one cause or two causes maximum. ठीक है? Decrease in temperature. This thing you can write. Okay, one cause is sufficient. ठीक है? बस एक cause लिख देना. Decrease in temperature would drive us, ठीक है, to make our homes underground. That's it. ठीक है? You can explain. Yes. Then you can explain. अगर cold conditions हो गई, then what would happen? ठीक है? Yes, yes. Then you can write. Depends on your marking scheme. If it comes for 2 marks, then one cause or maximum 2 causes are sufficient. Otherwise, 3 marks में आ जाए, chances are rare. Then 3 causes. ठीक है? Do you think there is life on other planets? Yes. You think that there is life on Mars? Okay. Can you guess what kind of people there may be on them? Aliens. What kind? Alien का मतलब क्या होता है? Foreign. जैसे हम लोग उनके लिए alien है, वो लोग हमारे लिए alien है. Alien doesn't mean कि वो जैसे जादू था. It doesn't mean कि alien हमेशा ऐसे दिखते हैं. You have to explain what kind of people. Okay. Okay. Size of their faces and their body structure would be different. Okay. Their size of body, color, ठीक है? Their features. Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. Exactly. Maybe they have some other type of language also. Yes. Yes. Yes, Vaibhav.
Ma'am, I think, ma'am, they would be like us only, and they would be having different languages, different kind of houses. But, ma'am, I think they would be like us only.
Okay, you think that their body structure and physically they would be same like us, but their language and their behavior would be different. Okay, that's your choice.
Yes, ma'am.
In what ways are they likely to be different from us? So ways बताने हैं, their eating habit, their way of dressing, their everything, their education system, everything. Yes. So you can explain this. There are 3 questions in 1 question actually. Do you think life is there on other planets? इसका आंसर दोगे? Then एक एक करके, ठीक है? In different ways. So this is the end of our chapter and syllabus also. ठीक है? So class 7 today finally finished. अगर आप पास हो गए तो अच्छे से. So any doubt you can ask. Then I'll just leave the meeting better. Yes, please. Any doubt you can ask. Anything? Yes. 100%. Yes, better. Yeah, yes, please listen. Listen. Now I'll read it. Just give me 1 minute, okay? There is one role play activity. Please, Rita, take it seriously. It carries 5 marks in your final exam. Role play activity. You can play the role of teacher. ठीक है? कोई भी एक टीचर उठा लो, उसकी तरह डायलॉग बोलने just in English. In English, please. ठीक है? Or you can just not single dialogue, 1 minute video should be there. Okay, so you can scold children, you can just do counseling of students जैसे teachers करते हैं कभी कभी, and you can play role of doctor also. So I have seen so many, we gave same activity in class 6 also. What they did, वो doctor का role play कर रहे थे and they were just showing one mask. Mask is very important. You should wear mask. You should maintain social distancing. आपको speech नहीं देनी. You have to become doctor. डॉक्टर बन के ट्रीटमेंट करना है या कुछ ऐसे डायलॉग्स बोलने डॉक्टर की तरह. ओके, ठीक है एवरीवन. That you have to find out. ठीक है, policeman you can become. I think you watch so many movies also. Policeman का रोल तो सबको ही पता होता है. ठीक है. No need of dress. In normal clothes you can just do that. बस शुरू में बोल देना that good morning I'm going to enact. Yeah, I'm going to play the role of dash. That's it. No need imaginary will only. But you can use your younger brother or sister if you want, like a patient. ठीक है, if you want. अगर नहीं है तो imaginary भी चलेगा. It's okay. ठीक है. Any doubt from online student, please ask. Yes, Shubh. Yes, please, beta.
मैम सेम ही था, रोल प्ले वाला ही पूछना था.
Now clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am. In copy we have to do only these 3 questions.
Only 3, beta. Only 3. No need to do more. But comprehension checks can come in exam. Take them seriously. But in exam, in notebook, you have to do 3 questions. Okay. Adgun, please ask your question.
मैम आप एक बार ये जो पिछला भी सिलेबस है और अगला आप भेज सकते हो ग्रुप में.
Okay, I'll send it.
जो
I'll send it. Beta, revision test 1, 2, 3. 3 revision tests will be there. उसमें जो syllabus English का लिखा होगा, that will be your final syllabus also. Okay. Next, please, Vaibhav.
Ma'am, in role we can play role of anything.
Anyone, beta. Teacher, nurse, doctor, policeman, anyone. That's your choice.
Okay, ma'am.
You can become a thief also. Yes, Jason. Yes, please. Offline beta, most probably. That depends on government guidelines. No idea. Jasmine, please ask question.
मैम एक बार फाइनल सिलेबस सेंड कर दोगे आप ग्रुप में?
I will send beta. I'll send. Okay. Now I'm just ending this meeting. I'll meet you tomorrow. Bye.